Okay, for question 11, it says a car wash firm calculates its daily profit in dollars depends on the number of workers it employs according to the formula. So X in this case, our input is number of workers and our output is profit. And P of X equals negative 100X plus 25X squared minus 0.005X to the fourth. We want to find the profit if the car wash firm hires 40 employees. So that is just plugging 40 into our profit. So that would be negative 100 times 40 plus 25 times 40 squared minus 0.0005 times 40 to the fourth. Okay, now we're going to go to the calculator. We're going to put that in our y1. So I'm going to go to y equals. I'm going to clear everything I have in there. We can do it all again. And in y1, we're going to put negative, make sure it's negative, not subtraction, 100x plus 25x squared minus 0.005x raised to the 4. Then we're going to go to the table feature. Make sure your table feature is set up by going to second window. Make sure it's ask auto. And then go to second graph for the table. And we're plugging in 40. And 40 employees will give us a profit of 23,200. 23,200. So if I put that in a sentence, that would be the total profit at 40 employees is 23,200. She's saying this is what the total profit is at 40 employees. Now, for marginal profit, we're going to take the derivative. So if I take the derivative of negative 100x is negative 100. 25x squared is 50x. And the derivative of 0.005x to the 4 would be minus 0.02x to the third. Okay, now that's our marginal profit. We want to find the marginal profit of 40 workers. So we're going to go ahead and plug 40 into our marginal, and we're going to check it. So we have negative 100 plus 50 times 40 minus 0.02 times 40 raised to the third. So I'm going to go to my calculator, go to y equals. We're going to put in the derivative and we're going to check it. So our derivative in y2 is negative 100 plus 50x minus 0.02x raised to the third. Enter. Now to check it in y3, I'm going to put the derivative. So to put the derivative, it's math number 8 for derivative. And if your calculator looks like mine, we put an x, and then in the parentheses y1, so it'd be vars to the right for y vars, number 1 for function, number 1 for y1, because we're taking the derivative of y1. Push to the right, we hit x, enter. So y2, the derivative by hand, and y3, the derivative in the calculator, should be the same. So we hit second graph for the table, 620, 620, they match. We know everything's good. And then we're going to write it in a sentence. So to write in a sentence, we're going to put the marginal profit at 40 workers is, and actually just put the profit, because what's happening to the profit? The profit at 40 workers is increasing $620 per employee. So what does it say? It's saying right now at 40 workers, we have a profit of 23,200. If you get one more worker, you're going to get an additional $620 in profit. So should they hire another worker after 40? And the answer is yes, we should definitely hire, right? Yes, exclamation point. Why? Because we're going to have more profit. Okay, profit is positive, increasing 620. So then it says, should they hire another worker after 50? Okay, well, let's type in 50. If we plug in 50, notice your profit did go up, But now your marginal profit is negative 100. So that means the next employee should lose $100. So I would put, should you hire after 50? No, you would lose $100 in profit. Now, we're going to add to it a little bit and say, what would happen or when should I have stopped? Well, if we kind of look at it, okay, 40, add more. 41, add more, right? Marginal profit is positive. So let's jump to like 45. Okay, still positive. 47, still positive. 48, positive. Okay, now let's talk about this. At 48, should we hire another employee? Yes, profit goes up. At 49, I'm at 49. Should I have another employee? No, or lose $3. So the question is, when should we stop? Remember, at 48, should we get another one? Yes, because the profit would go up. At 49, we shouldn't. So we should stop at 49. So put a little extra here. We should stop at 49 employees. Stop at 49 employees. Okay.